What y'all say? Big Head Prepper here. I want to talk a little bit about my water pump, my water well that I hand drilled. You can see I got it here located at the corner of my garden plot, so it'll be right there where I need it to water the garden. If I would have known about the YouTube community, I would have done a video when I was drilling it. I drilled it by hand, went about 25 feet deep. I built a drilling head that I got right here. It's basically a 3-inch to 2-inch swedge with a coupling and then a plug. And then I fabricated these little teeth out of some flat bar and welded on. And the plug was tapped for a 1/2 inch. So that was a water jet also. Added these rebar for teeth on the side, and then I used 3/4 inch rigid conduit as a drill stem. I coupled on a 10-foot section, and on the top side I had an adapter to go to a hose pipe fitting, and I turned the water on, and as I drilled it shot a water jet out the tip and lifted a lot of the silt to the surface. And at the surface I drilled a sump next to the well bore so that the water would run into the sump, and had a sump pump that pumped the water off the location where I was working so it wouldn't be full of mud right there at my feet. I also put some tack welds here on the coupling on top and bottom to ensure that it didn't unthread as I twisted back and forth on the well, on the drill stem. So I used that. I first started by digging a pilot hole with my post hole diggers as deep as I could. I hit water at about 2 feet, and then I went in with my drilling head. I drilled down 10 feet. Then I uncoupled the water hose connection and added another 10-foot section of 3/4 inch conduit, hooked my water hose back up, and I drilled down another 10 feet. And then I went in with a 3-inch PVC casing, and then from there I went in with an 1.25 inch tubing that goes down the center of the casing. And I use these no hub boots. That's these rubber boots with hose clamps.